Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, I'm gonna be making what is it called? I'm gonna make an automated chicken farm and AFK fish farm. So that was a lot of fun. I enchanted another diamond pickaxe. I got fortune too. That's really hard to get. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. See ya. And guys, if you enjoy this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. See you in a bit. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, I have some plans and you guys might be thinking where you got the crossbow and the silk touch pickaxe. Guys, I actually recorded all of that, but my mic for some reason broke. I didn't enchant it. So guys, I'm gonna enchant another pickaxe to try to get fortune. So guys, I actually killed some pillagers. They came to my house. I killed them. I got the banner and I have another. And I have another, there's crossbow. And guys, I did some upgrades to the house. It looks better. Fail. Crap. I did some upgrade. I had some windows. I forgot to add windows again. I'm stupid. And I found some when I realized. Oops. Now I'm stuck. When I realized that my mic wasn't working, I found these horses. So we have some horses, but I still don't have any saddles. I got some leads because two wandering villagers came. I have so many eggs. What do I do with this? Guys, one sec. I'll be back when I'm done with it doing this. Guys, me back. I did it. Hey, get out of the way, horse. Okay. I need to move all of my stuff and organize it up here. I'll do that. And I'm gonna make the automate fishing farm, whatever it's called. I always forget. I'm gonna make that and a chicken farm. Those stupid little chickens over there. I'm gonna get them. Actually, I think I might need some steak. Okay guys, I actually did some mining before this video. I actually got a lot of iron. Okay, what? Okay. I got some. I didn't find any diamonds. Okay. Let's do this. Get another pickaxe and enchant it. This is gonna be fun. Right. Diamonds. Let's make another pickaxe. Guys, I might make the super smelter too if I have enough iron. That is why I went mining for fortune 2. Let's go. Come on, it's only fortune 2. I will get fortune 3 when I get fortune 2 again. That is gonna be good. Yes, I can finally. This is so good. Guys, I think I'm gonna organize all of this stuff because this is kinda weird. Guys, I'll be back when I organize all of this stuff. Hi guys, welcome back. I did all the stuff. I don't have enough coal. I built that and did this, and this is my storage room. I cleaned it up. This side is all the blocks, all the blocks. This is all the farming stuff. This is all the food. This is all the redstone. This is all the ores. This is all the rare stuff I didn't know what to do with. And this is all my tools. I actually need more science. How many do I need? 3. Okay. Let's do this. Do that. This. Okay. What is this? Redstone stuff. Food. Come on. Stupid thing. Can't even place it. Can I place it like that? Yeah, I can. One sec, let me do that again. Farming. No. Farming stuff. Okay. Done. I really, do I have enough? Do I have more coal? No, I actually don't have enough. I need more coal. Now, what was I gonna make? Correct. One sec. Yeah, I know, I remember. Now, let's see. We gotta make that fishing thingy. I don't remember the name. Guys, let me look. Let me check how to make it. I will link the video down below. So guys, give me a minute. Be back in a sec. Guys, I made it. Let's try that. Just let me clean up my inventory. Just put all the stuff up there. Guys, I'll put the video link down below to which video I got it from. So I actually forgot. One sec, gotta make a fishing rod. Is that enough? I think that is. I need to. Well, looks like I gotta go hunting for spiders then. Let's see. Oh, I forgot to get his auto clicker. Guys, I actually will be back in a sec. See you in a bit. Guys, I got the auto clicker. Let's see. Oops. Howdy. What? Okay. Fishing. Critical Alt F. Okay. It's working. So that's how you do it. I'll need a lot of spiders. Get this thing working. I want to get an item. Let's see. Guys, I will cut back the recording when I get the item. I got it. Guys, I got it actually. got a card. Okay. So, we gotta repair this thing. This thing's gonna break. So what's next? So, I need to make a super smelter. But I don't think I'm gonna do that, actually. What? Why is it like that? Okay. That's weird. Actually, the lava might have burned all of this down. Yeah, that's what would have happened. Okay. There's a creepy creeper. I want to kill some more. So guys, let me see what I can do. I will get back recording on when I know what to do. Guys, so I have decided to make the chicken farm, the automated chicken killing thing. Guys, I will make that, and off camera might make the super smelter. So we gotta pick a spot. Where can I put this thing? Let's see. Where can I put this? I don't wanna put it down like here. Again, everything underground. Let's put it right there. So let's start digging. Guys, I'm gonna make it off camera. I'll see you in a bit. Hi guys, welcome back. I made it. It's made of stone. I will put this will be better when this is gonna be. I'm gonna get this better, or I just do all the eggs. So guys, I think this is gonna be the end of the video. So guys, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.